Tips and tricks with Jasmine's World XO.
What's up, my royalty fam? It's your girl Jazz. I hope you guys are out there enjoying your summers. I hope you guys are spending all the quality time with the family, going on vacation, and living your best lives. You heard? Y'all, I don't even talk like that. But anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying your summers. I just wanted to come in and address a few things. As you may or may not know, we just launched our Consistency Club memberships. And pretty much it's just set up for those of you who really want to be consistent with your routine, really lock in, really make some progress in your hair goals, or you may have been struggling with your hair growth. It can be an accountability program for those of you who are struggling, but it can also just be a way to save for those who are or have been consistent already and just want to save some money while doing that. I had a client ask me, or she wanted to purchase the package, but she wasn't really sure if she had to actually book her appointment right away. She didn't really know when she was going to need to schedule, but she didn't want to miss out on the deal. So long story short, you absolutely can purchase the package within that time frame before that expiration date or whenever, and you do not have to actually book your appointment right away. You purchase the package, and then there will be a prompt that allows you to book your or there'll be an email, and you can go back in and book your appointments for whenever you'd like to. So whether or not you decide to go in right there and book your appointments and schedule it right away, or if you wanted to come back and do it later, or even schedule them and reschedule, you can do all of that. But there is a certain time frame that you do have to get all of your services within, but it gives you ample amount of time to be able to be flexible. Say this time frame didn't work for you and you needed to push it back. There is a grace period that is given, so you can definitely get all of your services in while still being on a good scheduled routine, so we don't miss out on our goals, our marks, and just really locking in on achieving those goals and being consistent. But anywho, another question that I did have from a few people actually was trying to figure out how to operate the back end. They didn't really know how to do it. So I wanted to do a walkthrough just to kind of show you guys how simple and easy it is to book the appointments and also purchase the package. So here we go.
All right, so first thing we're going to do is go to my booking app, and we'll go to the link tree. We'll click on my website page. We'll scroll all the way down until you see the Consistency Club membership. You're going to go ahead and tap that, and as you can see, there's different options available. For right now, I'm going to go ahead and click the Hot Girl Braid down, and we're going to go ahead and just type in our information. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and do a code just so I can show you guys how to use the system, and then we'll move forward. All right, all the information is in there. All right, now let's go ahead and click forward. All right, so the purchase has been made, and now you can go in and use package. You see there was an option, so now you can go ahead and use that. And here you'll use the Z pack options is what you're going to select in order to book your appointment. So as you can see, there are 3 different appointments for the knotless. You can go in and do some add-ons. You can do boho, whatever you may want, and you just click a time and move forward and pay additional. But I'm going to go ahead and just book regular so we can move forward. All right, so I went ahead and booked that. So now that first appointment is set, and that will act as a regular appointment at this point, which means you can go ahead and go in and you can reschedule it as you need to, or you can cancel the appointment. And that's it. I hope this helped, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.